In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook business account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on your profile picture just like so. Then please go ahead and access your Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page right over here, and you just want to go ahead and press on switch just like so. And for those guys who are confused, a Facebook page is basically the same thing as a Facebook business account. A Facebook page and a Facebook business account is the same thing. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and then press on the picture one more time. Then go ahead and select on the gear icon just like so. From here, please scroll all the way down until you see page setup. Then go ahead and select on names just like so, and then from here, you guys will actually be able to change your name. Alright, and then afterwards, you want to go ahead and press on review change just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on submit for approval. And you need to do that because Facebook actually needs to approve your brand new Facebook page name to make sure that it does comply with your guidelines. So go ahead and submit for approval, and then all you got to do is just wait a little bit, and then you should get a notification after a couple of business days. And then from there, your page name will be different. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.